In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to Ledger Live. Now, if you need any Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can get your official Ledger devices at best prices as well as some bonus Bitcoin, and you will also support my channel that way. So, link down below. Now, to actually transfer crypto to Ledger Live, what you have to do is you want to go to the Receive tab over here on the left, and then you have to select what you want to receive, okay? So the account you want to credit. So let's say I want to receive some Bitcoin. I'm going to click on that and then press continue. And then after that, you have to basically connect and unlock your device, okay? So just connect it, unlock it, and via that, you'll be able to safely confirm your wallet address, okay? So whenever you do that, you'll be able to come to the third page, which is this one. I'm just going to click on don't have your device right now, but make sure you actually always do confirm your address, just for security reasons, of course. And over here, it's going to then give you your wallet, and then you can just basically send your crypto onto this wallet, or you can just show the QR code, scan it with whatever different wallet you may want to send from, and then you'll be good to go. Your crypto is going to be on your way whenever you basically send it. Just make sure the network and the amount you're trying to send are correct, okay? So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.